This is the Connor Batman prank. Hey Connor! Dude, check out this cereal I got. Look at. Dude, it's Batman cereal. It's chocolate strawberry flavored. Whoa, dude, right? We can't eat it. Cause we're Batman collectors. We're just gonna put it up somewhere. And look at it.
Or maybe we could eat all of the cereal.
No, we can't eat it. We've got to save it forever.
Until we die.
Yeah, because then someone will sell it and it'll be worth like $10. You want to eat it, huh? Here. Don't shake it. Because it's a collector's item. Dude, it's Batman cereal. Don't shake it.
Why?
Because you'll mess up the box. Look, you creased it. Now it's not worth anything. I guess we'll just have to eat it.
No, we can just put it back down.
No, you creased the box. It's no good anymore. We'll just have to eat it.
Hi there.
Is that okay with you?
I'm Professor Sycamore. As a Pokemon researcher, I work with trainers in the Kalos region.
See?
Help them with their journey.
It's right there.
It's time for my annual Pokemon summer camp.
Everywhere.
Where together,
No.
you and your Pokemon.
No, that's just that's the only one. That was from you shaking it. Dude, stop!
Wow, there it is.
Well, should we just eat it then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Give me some.
Right now?
Yeah.
We're cooking dinner. How about after dinner?
Ready.
Well, that's too bad.